Hello everybody, I'm Zombies Love Bacon and we have a new gadget for us to review today from our friends at OBSBOT. It is the OBSBOT Tail Air streaming camera. It is a PTZ 4K self-contained streaming camera with AI tracking. It does lots of cool things. We're currently using the OBS Tail Air as a webcam connected to my PC, but it is a standalone camera. It has a rechargeable battery in it and an SD slot. You can record directly to an SD card. It also has a micro HDMI port if you want to use a video outsource like that. It has many cool features, but mainly one that I'm interested in is the AI tracking ability and gesture control. Basically what that means is we can do cool things like this, where it will then start tracking me as its target, like so. It is pretty quick at the tracking. It does track pretty much 360 and up and down, and you can do cool things like this as well. Gestures. The OBSBOT Tail Air comes in a nifty little carry case to keep it protected and safe while you're out and about. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, some instructions, although you can find everything you need on the website, including downloads of the instructions and learning software. This little connector here is a USB-C splitter, so you can split between the power and data connections. You can run both and use it as a webcam. Also comes with a USB-C to USB adapter and pretty much everything you need. The device itself has little indicator lights on the front, including an LED strip that sort of indicates whether or not it's tracking or things like that with the gesture controls. It's got the USB-C connection on the back, which can be either done as power for recharging the battery in it or split to do power and data and use it as a webcam. It also has a HDMI, micro HDMI connection, so you can do a video output on it as well. The device itself is quite small. It's got a fair bit of weight to it, and obviously it is on a swivel and gimbal connection on the top, so spin around. It is a PTZ camera, which means pan, tilt, and zoom. As you can see, it has almost a 360-degree turn, as well as a very nice vertical tilt. It pretty much can track you anywhere and follow you around. The OBS Tail Air is an AI-powered 4K PTZ streaming camera, which means a pan, tilt, zoom, and it records at 4K 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second at 1080p. Has AI auto tracking for humans, animals, or objects, so you can track yourself as you walk around, including if you're in with a group of other people. You can set it to track yourself. You can also set it to track an animal, so dogs, cats, etc. It is very small, it's self-contained, it's got a rechargeable battery, and records directly to a micro SD. The device itself can be controlled from your phone while you're out and about. This is the OBSBOT app that I'm in right now. You can see up the top right is what it is actually recording, including the audio levels. You can see that the red dotted line that shows me where I am currently framed, and I've also got the green outline around me, which shows that the AI is tracking me. You can set it to auto, where it'll kind of make up its own mind what's the best shot. Otherwise, you can set it to be close-up, half body, full body, and it will frame it accordingly. This is all done in the app, which is connected via a Wi-Fi hotspot from the device itself, so it doesn't matter if you have no reception or no Wi-Fi. And if you don't want to be filmed walking around with the phone in your hand controlling your device, you can also use the gesture system. Although a little janky, it does kind of work. Basically, if you hold up your hand in the stop motion, you'll see the little LED strip flash and register that it is now tracking the device, and it will track you. If you do the L symbol, it'll turn into a zoom and do a zoom in. And you can also do a zoom out motion with the L as well. These are kind of cool, but yeah, a little janky. Wouldn't rely on it. So what do we think about the OBSBOT Tail Air? It's excellent. As a content creator, I straight away identify that this is fantastic for streaming. Having a camera that can be dynamically move around and keep me in frame is just such a great idea. Straight away, things like cooking streams would be amazing, like VR streams, anywhere where you like move around in a free space and don't want to have a stagnant camera. You want to have something that sort of follows around and keeps you in focus and that sort of stuff. Awesome, very cool. The fact that I don't need to connect it to a computer and I can take it out with me and take it to events and stuff like that and have it sort of track me and do stuff, amazing. Straight away, I think about like panels and presentations and how I can film that using just the device itself straight to an SD card and then just take it home. plug it straight into my computer, edit it, upload it, do all that sort of stuff. The camera itself, really easy to use. The software is really great. It seems a little bit daunting to begin with all the different sort of tracking and all the different ways that you can do it. But once you sort of master it, it is very easy and very quick to do and to use, and everything just works. I have no issues with nothing at all, really. It's just, it works, and it does everything that it says it will do, and that's pretty much what you'd ask for. The quality is fantastic. Everything that comes with it's fantastic. The software works. So I'm really impressed with the OBSBOT Tail Air and what it can do. The fact that I can just plug it in and it works and it does so much with so little effort is really impressive. And I didn't know how much I would get out of it, given the way that I do my content and the fact that I've always used either like webcams or phone cameras and stuff to make that content. But now that I have this tool to my disposal, I'm immediately thinking of all the cool things that I can do with it. And I'm, yeah, just very impressed with the results. So thanks again to OBSBOT for sending out this camera to be reviewed. I am impressed. You've impressed me. And this is a fantastic device. And I can see a lot more content creators jumping on with these kind of devices in the future because, yeah, it offers something that you can't get out of other cameras. So very cool. Thank you so much. And yeah, go check out the OBSBOT Tail Air. Gestures.